to fix Instagram account could not refresh feed. It's an easy process, so let's start. So first of all, hit the subscribe button. That's helped me, guys, so thank you. So when you come to the Instagram app and you are trying to refresh but your Instagram account not refreshing, so that might be happened for three reasons. First one is your internet connection. So first of all, check your internet connection is stable or not, and then just come to a browser and search down detector. So come to the down detector and then just click to the Instagram options. After that, just scroll down, and if you see more spike on that on this graph, that means Instagram is down right now. So if this graph not much spike, so that Instagram is okay right now. So and then just check it out your storage space. If your storage space is running out, and then just install and uninstall and reinstall your Instagram app, and your problem will be solved. So that's the process how you can check fixed Instagram account could not refresh. So hope this helps you. Then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos.